Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here with breaking news regarding a brand new drone from DJI that has been leaked. We have pictures for you guys today, and today's video is going to be regarding the upcoming Tello drone from DJI. But before we get started guys, if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. If we're able to get to 1,000 subscribers before September 1st, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one lucky subscriber. So guys, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. It's a lifetime opportunity and no one else is doing this. So make sure you guys join the Drone Emotion family and help us grow the drone community, guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. So with that being said guys, let's move on to today's video. Today's video is a really exciting one guys. So in our previous video we talked about the possibility of a Tello 2. Drone Deals made a post in their Twitter account saying that a Tello 2 was coming, and we covered that in the last video, but we didn't have any kind of pictures, specs, and really not a lot of information to go off, and really I wasn't really even positive that this was actually gonna be happening. But guys, today I have some really exciting news. Today we have confirmation from Drone Deals, from Deals Drone, and we also got confirmation from Untitled, and we have leaked pictures and everything. So guys, let's open up today's video with Untitled Twitter. So you guys know Untitled, he's really reliable when it comes to DJI leaks, and whenever he says something, it's pretty positive, and we're pretty sure that's probably going to be happening. So let's start with his Twitter. His tweet just came out a couple of hours ago. So right here on the screen guys is going to be his Twitter. Okay guys, so that was Osiris LB tweet from today's morning. So that was what he had to say. Tello Talent imminent, not Mavic 3, not interested. So whenever Osiris LB tweets imminent for any DJI upcoming product, we know that's coming real soon. We saw that for the Mavic Air 2 and for other release from DJI. So guys, we're going to be talking in today's video about the release date too. So imminent, I think we might be seeing this product from DJI announcing, I don't know, a couple of weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but real soon. So now we're going to be moving on to Deals Drone. So these guys posted a picture on their Twitter account about 2 days ago. So I'm gonna leave the picture for you guys right here on screen. So that is the picture guys that we have for you today. So when I saw this picture at first, I was like, oh, this could be the next Tello 2. But then I saw it closely and then I compared it to the original Tello, and I saw that the chassis and that the drone was exactly the same. And the only two things that really stick out to me was the double T in the front face of the drone right here, and that little solar panel we see right there. But I thought that someone had spray painted or done some kind of paint job to the original Tello, because it looked the same. It had the same legs, just like in a different colorway. So I really didn't thought it was a legit picture. But now that today we got confirmation from Untitled, we know that this picture could actually be the next Tello generation drone. So I thought this was going to be called the Tello 2, but apparently from what Osiris LB had to say, it's not going to be called that. It's going to be called the Tello Talent. So let's analyze that picture closely. We as well, I already showed you there were 2 pictures that were leaked 2 days ago from Deals Drone. So let's go in and take a closer look guys. So if you guys take a closer look, we see that the essence of the drone is still the same thing guys. So I'm gonna leave a picture of the original Tello so you guys can compare the Tello Talent to the original Tello and see what I'm talking about how it's pretty the same shape of the drone, and the chassis is pretty similar. So right here on the screen guys is a picture of the original Tello. So So that right there in the screen, guys, is the original Tello. So let's go and review a couple of the most important specs that the original Tello had and what we can expect from this new Tello drone. So the original Tello gave us a flight time of 13 minutes, okay guys? It had a flight distance of 100 meters, which we used our smartphone to control. So that was what the Tello offered. And then let's talk about camera wise. So the original Tello offered a camera resolution of 720p, so it was really not that great. So what is this drone emphasized to? Well, this drone is more targeted toward kids, toward a smaller audience, and also toward adults who are just starting in the drone world. And I think this is a great option if you just want to get started with a drone and like if you crash, nothing's gonna happen. It has prop guards, and I've flown the Tello original myself. It's a pretty nice drone. It flies pretty stable when you're flying indoors, and then outside it's pretty nice. It's not that bad. I mean, I really liked it. It's a pretty nice experience, and especially if you fly with an iPad, which is what I did, it's a pretty nice experience. I really like that drone, like a little toy, because it's cheaper as a Mavic, obviously. So it comes out around a price tag of $100 for the base version, and then $150 for the combo. So what can we expect with this new drone? So spec wise, I think we're definitely going to be seeing an upgrade in flight time. I hope to see at least 16 minutes advertised, which means at least 14 to 15 minutes in real life, which will be something similar to what we had in the Spark, but I mean with a 1/5 of the price of the Spark. You guys remember the Spark came out 3 years ago with a price tag of $500 for the base version. So I think if DJI comes with that flight time, it will be real nice. Let's talk about flight distance. Because this is going to be a Wi-Fi drone, we cannot expect to get miles out of the drone. So I think a flight distance could be around 200 meters. I think that would be great because that means we're going to be getting a stronger signal to our phone. Let's talk about camera wise, guys. So I think we are definitely going to be seeing an increase. I wish. That's at least what I'm hoping for, but I'm not really sure about that. Why? Because if we take a closer look, guys, at the picture that I showed you that was leaked from DJI's drone, we see that the camera looks to be the same size. We don't see a gimbal, we don't see anything like that. As you guys know, the Tello uses digital stabilization to stabilize the image and the video quality. So I really don't think we're going to be seeing 1080p in this drone. I don't think so, HD. But you never know, guys. With DJI, it's possible. So let's hope for 1080p with this brand new Tello Talent. And now let's go and analyze closely the picture that we got from DJI's drone, guys. So the biggest difference that we see are the following. As I already mentioned, the TT, which is right here in the drone, now we know what that stands for, which is Tello Talent. What does this mean? Why didn't they call it Tello 2? I don't know, guys, we don't know yet, but I think DJI might, that's at least what I'm thinking, they might be going towards what they are doing with the Roadmaster, which you can control the drones and add the different features to the robot. I think DJI might be doing something similar to this Tello Talent, because you might be using your own talent to use your drone. So I think that might be a possibility. I'm not completely sure. That's just speculation that I'm doing. And then let's move on to the second and biggest difference on the drone. So if you guys pay attention, you're obviously going to notice that there's a big thing that stands out right here. We see there's something that kind of looks like a solar panel, which I don't think it's a solar panel, but we can kind of assume that because we see like the little squares right there, but I don't think that's a solar panel. I really don't know what that is. I don't know if that's going to be some kind of speaker, some screen, I don't know, but we do see that there's something that it's connected from that little thing that sticks out on the drone, that little plastic thing, which connects right here onto the side of the drone. So we see that cable running through right here onto the little thingy that's sticking out of the drone. So we also see there are two buttons on that thing that's sticking out. One is bigger right here on the left side. So right here, guys, if you pay close attention in the picture, you're gonna be notice that. So I truly don't know what that is, guys. We're just gonna have to wait and see. But as I already mentioned, I think that might be a speaker. I don't know, maybe a flashlight. I don't know, guys. Solar panel. I don't think it's a solar panel. I don't think that's gonna be the case. But that's what we have for you guys today. We see that the new Tello Talent has definitely changed the colorway. We now have a real nice kind of cherry red, which I really like the colorway. because with the original Tello it was white, but we could change the cap on the top, which could make it yellow, blue, red. So that was pretty nice. But it looks like with the new generation Tello, it's going to be just one solid color, which is a red, which I really like. They decided to incorporate the red on the prop guards, which stay the same. Also with the propellers. I really like the colorway. So I think this drone is going to be not such a big change from the original Tello, but I think we're going to be seeing some pretty important key differences, such as flight time and that thing on the top. We're just gonna have to wait and see till DJI announces to see what that is, or till some new leaks come out, guys. So that's all of the information that we have for you guys today. Some pretty interesting news, some pretty exciting ones, because I already mentioned that Magic 3 is not going to be happening this year. So Tello is happening, and then the FPV racing drone from DJI is happening. So we're just gonna have to wait and see, guys. That's all we have for you in store today, guys. As soon as any new information comes out, we're going to keep you updated. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.